What's up, guys? As most of you guys know, I'm from Minnesota, and up north they like to call casseroles hot dishes. So today I'm going to show you guys a simple recipe. It's called Tater Tot Hot Dish, and instead of using beef, I'm actually going to use some ground turkey. So let's get started. First, you're going to set your oven to 375 degrees. Okay, so I'm browning the turkey right now. And as you can see, there's a lot of liquid in there. So I'm just going to drain it and then put the onions and garlic in after. I'm going to put in my 1 cup of onions and my garlic and just saute that up. So as I'm waiting for my onions to sweat out a little bit, I'm just going to drain these green beans. There we go. Now I'm just going to add everything together. Mix all of the ingredients. Pepper, green beans, a teaspoon of Mrs. Dash, and this can of 98% fat-free cream of mushroom. Oops, very hard to film. Do you guys like my happy face spatula? Go. Mix that all together. And you really can put anything you want into this. Usually I put corn, but I didn't have any, so there we go. That is ready. I'm just going to take this 8x8 casserole pan and just dump all of this in there. And spread it out like that. Now you're going to take this bag of tater tots and just put it on top. I kind of got the wrong kind, so, but this is all they had. But you just, I mean, you can throw it on there, but I like to make a nice little design. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for about 25 minutes. I'm going to take it out then and sprinkle just a little bit of this fat-free cheese on there and then put it back in for another 5 minutes. So let's put this in the oven. I don't know why my camera just turned off for some reason, but I just put the cheese on and now I'm going to put it back into the oven for another 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to have a little taste test. I put a little ketchup on mine because that's how I like to eat it. Let's see here. That is tasty. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make Tater Tot Hot Dish. I will be uploading more recipes. I know that I've been slacking a little bit on it, but my goal is to upload once a week a recipe. So I do take requests and I do try to make them macro friendly-ish. So Please like, subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for more.